Oboye ga-akpọ mama nwa. Mama m ihe dị mma ka nke mere gị o ayọma. Onye ọka dịrị mma. Oyoyo. My country people no mind my voice. I no sabi sing. I just dey happy as I see this video now. My body just dey cool. They make me one kind. I say no, I need to sing. Show me that person that doesn't joke with her mother and I will call out Destiny Etiko for you. This girl doesn't joke with her mama at all. Destiny is that one kind girl that do me anything, insult me, do all kind of things to me. But you see, my mother is a no for me. That's a crossing boundary. You can never joke with my mother. If you see the way Destiny Etiko celebrated her mother, she talks say for this industry that she's moving on, she's going higher, she's well known is because of her mother's prayer. Say when she started, she wanted to give up because nobody they call her for joke. But her mother sat her down, encouraged her, and told her that the sky is just a starting point for her. That one day the whole nation will hear her name. And today everybody knows Destiny Etiko. There's no how you be a lover of Nollywood or a social media person and you go talk say you know sabi Destiny Etiko. That one na lie. Before we continue, make we watch this beautiful video together.
Mama mo abara kibe awolonko nne mo wanyi chukwu huru n'anya amolonko mama mo kedie mgemere gi o nne mo webi ogwene nne mo n'ọlọ mo nọ n'ime ezi nne mo n'ọlọ mo nọ n'Enugu si mma kwụzi n'ugwu nọ chacha webi ogwene cha nne mo tete na bata Ada Jesus ka mụ na-akpọdị nne m na m ekele gị ogede na-ekodi ibe ekele m nne m na na-ede bịa kirie m na nne m ezigbo nne m nwanyị obiọma ọkwado na-enete Igbo na ụmụ ezigbo nne m nwanyị obiọma nwebi ogwu nne m obi ọsọkọwa aka ọkwado bụ nwanyị dị mma adọkọdọ ka mma bụ na m ekele gị nwanyị jokoro ka ataka eze nshi mama na m ekele ole ihe ga-emere nne m ka obi wee dị ya mma nne m mama m na m ekele ga-ekele agụ kelere ngele kuru mmiri nwa mama m ololo nne mụrụ m ololo mmebi ogwede anwụrụ mkpọgo mere ya ụwa bega anwụrụ mmebi ogwede anwụrụ mkpọgo mere ya ụwa bega anwụrụ mama mo bi asọkọlẹka anwụrụ mkpọgo mere ya ụwa bega anwụrụ ada na wulego anwụrụ mkpọgo mere ya ụwa bega anwụrụ mkpọgo na lekere anwụrụ mkpọgo mere ya ụwa bega anwụrụ mama mo na lekere.
Of course, I know I'm not.
My people is always on Etiko's hyping for me. She dey hype abeg. Always hyping Destiny Etiko like, you know, Adanelu my womb opener, my one and only first daughter. Hello. Talk say this video no sweet you. As you just dey watch am, na so your body just dey, you know, they do you kule. Say if you dey watch this video and you never call your mama, pick your phone and call her now. If you dey treat your mama one kind, just remember say mothers are priceless. If you dey joke with your mama before, as you watch this video, make peace with your mother, cause I talk am again say mothers are priceless. Nothing beats them, seriously. Abeg, make I pause. I want to tell you guys something. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Abeg, click the link on my bio. It will take you straight up to that place. I dey post ogbonge news for there as well. Abeg, support your Amiibo girl now. We are Amiibo nation. We need to support each other. Biko Ejo, support me. Click the link on my bio. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more ogbonge news with the tutorial body. Una now see they do one for here. See your one and only Amiibo girl Cindy. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah now. Bye.